My name is Paul Eldred. I do residential excavation sales. We have customers that will call the office because they have a sewer blockage or a backup of some sort in their house. We send a technician out, and part of the service is for myself to go back out and video inspect the sewer and let the customer know what our recommendations are to have it fixed or repaired or replaced. I love it. Each job is something a little different. Each customer is a little different. So, there's not a lot of companies that offer the benefits that AP Plumbing does. We have some young kids working with us right now. I tell them it's a great opportunity working here. The room for advancement and to better themselves within the company, there's not necessarily a ceiling to that. I think if anybody's in a job that they don't enjoy doing or they don't enjoy the atmosphere they're working in, it's not going to lead to a productive, successful company. I've worked for several plumbing companies in the city. By far, this is the best.